Krobo municipalities are hopeful of increased rice yields if the Kpong Irrigation Scheme project is completed. The Deputy Minister of Food and Agriculture, Kpong Irrigation, cut the sword for the rehabilitation and modernization of the Kpong Irrigation Scheme at Akuse in the Eastern region. Smallholder and private farmers engaged in rice cultivation and other crops in the Shire, Sudoku and Greater Accra regions face challenges in securing water for their farms. They believe that if the Kpong Irrigation Scheme is successfully rehabilitated and modernized, their yields will significantly improve.
We are suffering. So how they come lining the canal for us, it can help us.
A contractor was awarded to do the work, but all of a sudden he disappeared. And now that a sort of a cut, we hope everything will be in order so that we get the benefits of the project.
The first phase under the Ghana Commercial Agricultural Project covered 4,000 hectares. The second phase, which will see the refurbishment of the Kpong Irrigation Scheme, will provide access to irrigation water for smallholder farmers, private commercial farmers and other stakeholders. It aims to enhance preparedness against food insecurity and build resilience within food systems. The rehabilitation and modernization work will involve clearing the Akuse main canal, lining branch canals, completing opening unlined channels and rehabilitating main roads, among other improvements. The Deputy Minister of Food and Agriculture, Kpong Irrigation, describes the project as a bold move by the government to impact food security.
Completion of the rehabilitation of the Kpong Irrigation Scheme, which straddles across the lower Benya Krobo and Shai Osudoku districts, with an amount of $22.5 million through World Bank funding. This is a continuation of previous investments Government of Ghana through World Bank support made in the rehabilitation and the modernization of some of the major irrigation schemes in the country at a cost of over 90 million United States dollars between 2019 and 2021.
The Kpong Irrigation Scheme project is anticipated to substantially increase rice production in the area. Osei Owusu-Ajiman is the project director for the Food System Resilience Program.
Agriculture is now science and technology. Water is critical. We can't rely on whether it will rain today, whether it will rain tomorrow to farm, for farmers to grow. You know, here is #1 area for rice. Before the irrigation, they were getting around 2 tons per hectare. Now they are getting over 5 to 6 tons per hectare, which is an improvement. And also train the farmers to have the right agronomic practices. You can compete.
The acting chief executive officer of the Ghana Irrigation Development Authority, Richard Opong-Boateng, is optimistic that the project will boost food security.
Somewhere August, September, we had huge inflow from the Bagri Dam, and it caused a lot of flooding of farmlands. Why should this one occur? It means that we have not been able to tap into the resources and develop them for productive use. So this one is coming as a backup to our water resource management. So under this project, we are going to rehabilitate the main canal to increase efficiency of the canal system.
Senior agriculture economist at the World Bank Ghana and tax team leader Ashwini Sebastian emphasized the importance of local ownership of the project.